This is the AI-LIN 10-foot lighted patio table umbrella. It's rectangular, and let's take it out of the box. And here is the umbrella itself, along with an extension pole, and this has a spring-loaded button on it. You put it right through there and push the button and just get it so the button snaps in. Just like that. The solar panel gets affixed to the top of the umbrella. You can see its connector there, and it goes right over here. So we just have to take the little styrofoam out of here, and there's a little connector, and you see the little two ears on it. It's keyed, so it only fits one way. Just plug it together, and then the solar panel locks on top. So when you're all done, it just looks like that. It stays nice and firmly attached, and just make sure you peel the little protective cover off. It's got a nice strap on it right here with Velcro that you just take off, and that way, you know, when you're done using it, you can fold it up like this and wrap it up so the wind doesn't take it. And there is the crank, so let's crank this up. Before I do that, I want to just point out the switch here, which is for the solar lights that are built into it, and that's how you turn them on and off. Okay, and now we can go ahead and crank this up. So it has arrows on it. You can see right there for up and down. We'll just start cranking this. And there we are. So here's the umbrella, and if you notice, especially like down here, you should be able to see the LEDs that are built into this. It's rectangular, so it's longer this way and shorter this way. It's hard to really convey that with the right angles on camera here, but that's what it looks like. The solar panel is all the way up top, so it automatically charges for you. This is what it looks like with the lights on. And of course, I'll show you this again at night. Now the pole itself, as well as the ribs, are steel, and they appear to be powder coated, so they'll hold up for a nice long time. The darker section there is an air vent, so when air gets under that, it will allow it out instead of trying to bring the umbrella up to the sky like that. It has 6 ribs. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'll see if I can get you a better angle showing the rectangularness. That should give you a better indication of what it actually looks like. And like I said, it's a 10-foot umbrella. Seems to be nice and strong and weather resistant, so it'll hold up for many seasons. It also has another feature. Right here is a push button tilt. So when you push that button, you can tilt it in a particular direction to better shade the sun. I'll demonstrate that. So now you can see how it's tilted like that to block the sun. And if you look at the sun here, you can see how now it shades the sun, which is coming in over this table. So certainly at this direction, it even goes way out to all the way over here, just to show how much shade you get. And here's the inside of the umbrella, just so you can see. Just to give you an idea, it's weather-resistant polyester fabric, so it should hold up nicely. And this is a strong steel rib. It does not bend like any other cheap umbrellas you've seen. This looks like it'll hold on for a nice long time. When you're done using it, you can simply crank it back down, just like this. I also want to point out that this is a ratcheted crank mechanism. That means once you get this in place, it's going to stay where it's supposed to, and the wind won't be able to take this and make it go up higher than you originally opened it, or lower, or anything like that. Now when it gets dark out, I'll show you what it looks like with the LEDs on it turned on. But for now, it's not dark out, and I'm just going to leave it to charge up in the sun. So it's clearly nighttime now, and you can see I have the LED lights on the umbrella here, and it looks certainly very nice, and this is the kind of light that you get. It's not tremendously bright. If you're just having an outdoor party and this is the only light you have, you could certainly see to be able to eat, but it's not a tremendous amount of light. It's really a lot of ambiance is what it adds. And even if you're not using the umbrella, it still looks pretty cool with the lights on and the umbrella closed. So that can also add ambiance to any party. So once again, this was the AI-LIN 10-foot rectangular patio table umbrella. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.